Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss about how we can create a simple workflow for project managers. So if you are into project management and if you like to create a simple workflow for your work, I'll show you a very good example. Okay, so let me go to a document. So using Obsidian to track tasks and manage projects effectively. Here is a simple workflow for using Obsidian to track tasks and manage projects as a project manager. The very first one that you need to do is you need to create a vault or folder for projects. Set up a dedicated vault or folder named projects where you can organize notes related to your tasks and projects. So you know how to create a vault. We have discussed about it and we know how to create a folder as well. So you need to set up a dedicated vault or folder named projects where you can organize your notes related to tasks and projects. After that, the second step is you need to set up a task note template. So this is a very simple template. You need to set up, create a note template for tracking tasks. So this is the name of the project and these are the tasks and here is the information about deadlines and this is the due date. And if you want to add any relevant information, you can also add relevant information here. So this is a very good task note template that you can use during this process. After this, you use this template for each new project. So for each and every project, you can use the same template. Now use daily notes for task review. Enable the daily notes plugin and use it to log daily tasks and progress. Each morning, review your tasks by linking project notes into your daily notes. So this is really good information. So after you set up a task note template, you can also enable the daily notes plugin. Daily notes plugin in Obsidian, you can enable this and you can use it to log daily tasks and progress there. Each morning, you can review your tasks by linking project notes into your daily notes. So basically, you are doing the linking between two different notes. Okay. So each morning, you can review your task by linking project notes into your daily notes. So you're linking two different things into one. So what are today's tasks? Today's task, project A, complete draft, project B, send email. So you are linking and you are you are doing your work. The fourth point is track tasks with tags. So you need to, whenever you have tasks, whenever you work on tasks, you need to, it is really good to assign tags. If it is a medium priority, you can say something like medium. If it is a high priority, you can mention something like urgent. If it is an in progress, you can use hashtag in progress. So you can use the appropriate tags for your particular task. This helps you filter and track tasks across different projects. So after you do that, link notes for project management. Create an overview note for each project that links to subnotes or tasks. So this is the project A overview. Task 1 and task 2, and what is the timeline for that, start date, and what is the deadline for that. And you can also mention the progress link to relevant sources or notes. So this is a very good workflow that you can follow if you are a project manager, and you can use graph view for project connection. So you know graph view, right? You remember, right? We discussed about graph view. So this is the graph view. So for your particular project, you can use the graph view regularly to visualize connections between tasks and projects using the graph view. Task management plugin. So at any point in time, if you feel like as a project manager you might need some kind of plugin, you can use it. But if your job is already done but you don't need any plugin, then you don't have to install any plugin. So as a project manager, you can consider using task management plugins like Kanban or data view to get more advanced feature for organizing and filtering tasks. This workflow helps you keep tasks and projects structured, track progress, and ensure deadlines are met. So you can use these plugins at any point in time. If you want to do some advanced stuff, you can use these plugins to, you know, to track your daily work. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.